I thought I was good at Excel until I started working. Suddenly, all the formulas and features I never learned in school were expected. VLOOKUP, pivot tables, flash fill. Things I didn't even know existed. But here's the truth. Most of us learned Excel for marks, not for mastery. And in the real world, Excel is a power tool, if you know how to use it. So today, I'm giving you 5 Excel tips I wish someone had taught me earlier. Flash fill. Type once. Let Excel complete the pattern. Remove duplicates. Clean data instantly with one click. Pivot tables. Turn messy data into beautiful summaries. If plus and/or formulas. Build logic like a pro without code. Shortcut magic. Troll plus. Arrow keys. Navigation on steroids. These aren't just tricks. They're career upgrades. Because once you master the tools others overlook, you become the person they come to when it matters. So no, school didn't teach you this, but you're not in school anymore. You're in the real world now. Learn smart, stand out, save hours, and let Excel do the heavy lifting.